Is there a mistake in your Provident Fund account? A wrong name, an incorrect date of birth, or date of joining? And have you felt that knot of frustration, that helplessness when you try to get it corrected? For a moment, just imagine, what if all that frustration and all that waiting was suddenly a thing of the past? Yes, the Employees Provident Fund Organization, the EPFO, has completely overhauled the rules for member profile corrections. This is a new, digital, and member-friendly era. That confusing legacy system of major and minor changes, the one governed by the SOP version 3.0 from July 31st, 2024, is now completely obsolete. With a new revolutionary circular dated January 16, 2025, the EPFO has adopted a new trust-based model. Now, the correction process is no longer based on the type of change you want, but on the verification of your identity. In this new framework, all members are grouped into 3 distinct categories. Category A. These are members whose UAN was created after October 1st, 2017 using their Aadhaar eKYC. You have the most power. You can update 9 of your 11 essential details like your name, date of birth, gender and marital status online by yourself without any employer approval. This is true self-service. This is true financial freedom. Next is Category B. These are members with older UANs from before October 2017 but whose Aadhaar is successfully linked and verified. For you, the process is also incredibly simple. You can submit your correction request online and it only needs to be digitally approved by your employer. The request no longer needs to be sent to the EPFO. The power stops with the employer. And finally, Category C. This is for members whose Aadhaar is not validated or for the unfortunate cases of deceased members. For them, the physical joint declaration form process still exists, but with much clearer guidelines than before. In this new system, the employer's role has changed from a gatekeeper to a facilitator. An August 2025 simplification circular makes this even clearer. If your Aadhaar data and PF data are 100% match, your employer can now link your Aadhaar directly without needing a joint declaration form at all. And one more crucial point, if you are uploading documents for your correction, documents issued from DigiLocker are given higher priority. Where you might need 2 physical documents, just 1 document from DigiLocker is considered enough. This is not just a process change, it is a shift in trust. The EPFO is now placing a new trust in its members and in their digital identity. The power is moving away from paper and is being placed directly into the hands of you, the member. This new simplified change ensures that your hard-earned money remains safe and secure, always linked to your correct identity. It is a clean, fast, and powerful system, one that empowers both the employee and the employer.